Today I'll show you how to use the Banana Gun Sniper Bot. Let's dive in. To begin, if you haven't tried Banana Gun yet, check the invite link in the description below to access the Telegram bot. Click Start to initiate setting up a wallet. Choose to create a new wallet and give it a name, then note down the private key provided for future access. Now, you need to fund the bot with Ethereum. Go to Settings, copy your wallet address, and send at least 0.1 Ethereum to your account. Once funded, go back to Settings to confirm your balance. Now let's set up the Auto Sniper. Enter the token address you want to snipe, specify the maximum spend per wallet, and adjust the auto snipe tip. You can customize settings like first bundle of fail, slippage, and more. To start the Auto Sniper, wait for the token launch, or cancel if you change your mind. The manual buyer option allows faster buying of coins. Paste the token address and explore important information about the coin's safety. When ready to buy, click on the Buy button. Adjust settings like Anti-Rogue and Blacklist for added security. After purchasing, the interface switches to Sell, enabling you to sell your coins when desired. In the settings, you can further customize presets and adjust other settings based on your preferences and experience level. That's it. You now know how to use the Banana Gun Sniper Bot. Check the invite link in the description to get started today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.